This simple, inexpensive root called gowe will completely transform the way your house smells. In under 10 minutes, leaving lasting effects for days. The smell will stick to your walls, the floor, your curtains, your clothes, literally everything. It is naturally fragrant, so it can deodorize your house, but to get the best out of it, it needs to be burned on coal. To begin, I like to fluff up my ashes and then make a well before I light my coal on my stovetop. You can use a lighter, but I don't have one, so I'm using my stovetop. Before putting this back into your ashes, you want it to be white. And if you do not have ashes and you still want to do this, you want it to be completely white. It needs to look like the ashes. And that would take about 10 to 20 minutes before the coal is completely covered in ash. Next, you want to cover the coal completely with the ashes. Don't worry, it will not put out the coal. Once the coal is completely covered, make sure you don't forget where you put it because you need to put the gowe right on top of it. This is my gowe that I made. You can find my video on how to make it on my YouTube channel. Right here, I'm just locating where the coal is using my hand because you can feel the heat. Then you want to put it right on top lightly. Don't push it down or anything, just put it right on top. And this will bring out the fragrance slowly. Your house won't be smoky. You can turn the fan on just to air the place out, and also open your windows so that it can also air it out. Comment down below what you use to keep your house smelling good.